Yeah, about 2 months ago, 3 months ago, and I'm back at you, sir. Former Asante Kotoko CEO, Nanaya Amponsa, he's lobbying to come back to Asante Kotoko. Zabra baby a tini free ya catch rewa enye. But here ya jumasi ya kotie ni abeka. Eh na pepe na Nanaya Amponsa ni David omo yomo juma pepe bi. No yes Kotoko ya juma na mzi eh sasa mo kaya na mo papa. When I hear somebody speak despicable about it, bra wunye bi da me Kotoko juma mi nya bi da. But what was your point? Oh, yeah, say on 2 different occasions, I've had to say no to approaches to be with Kotoko. Not because I don't like Kotoko, but because I'm building certain things that may not allow me to take that particular jobs at one point in time in my life. No more my Kotoko Juma. There was a penyame respect you pa because obi aminim ni bia why Kotoko Juma bia nya obesa back. The beyond some catch said there's an aura around Asante Kotoko. First, you tweet some radio so near Breni a country and a Timino or Mom music and your dear and said you and so sang from the Biomo lobby. And yeah, me catch us up Japan if Kotoko and Trescania and Anki Trescania, people who pay money to come and do the Kotoko job. I pay Suarez. I don't know what they get from it. Meaning becoming Yebida. But on my man who say a Jumano, Omo Papa. A two tibu abontain, okay, cable social media so, and I Kotoko, the Omuya back a crack, when you be a man, Yajumano, Namasre, who's at the Biam catch of the and the Omaya and a name for Zaquadia. Well, here I could go be a Jibium, I got to go be a Yabium, Jai can own him the Oka. Quonangas out dear Chinjay, and a crow and Obamunja to him was him. And sit that, Mr. Penny be a back of Coco Biana Baba. Now, Bram, yes, our story, I will a video case. I'm the penny high and speculative. I am Jandro. I am your gender. Tina Yanim was yet done.
Tina, your original film.
Yam far gender matran, Yanim was a da.
Fantastic.
And I'm a catcher said David Obeng Nyarko, Ediaba app, so Baba Kotoko, communications director.
Yeah.
In fact, David Nankasa, I think podcast being interviewed YouTube or Kabiru. And Okokasa was no children, you may be a more young, maybe a money dano, level of more general. Nyabine Kotokono. Oh, na Ibe, Mako to Team Bio Portugal, and I'll come over Majili, and Omoboka UEFA Champions League, and I got to call your mother and say, oh, and Towada, and pay for Mubuzaben. Mr. Benny Bamzia challenge. By way of me, I'm a bomb about Super, Unipa Cranky, Bonabas. And Towa was a penyada. Now, Penina, what your bonte say, on Fako Konyashi, on my beam, Kotoko, where you do Masani Paco or Pacho or Lobby on my bonte, Namachire, I pray, so about Sante Kotoko. This is not to just David, any Omom, you know. Omo mabe Kotoko minimum penny for Kasia, my back would come minimum of the penny. A bring a brief beyond opportunity to come back, they will run. Obasa to recover Yajumano. Naya yen nim nintini at Tabonte near the social media no so. No fanya way. Just less than 2 months ago, Mr. Komachi on my YouTube page, and I acquired you Akuma FM, yeah, Facebook streaming, yeah. You have to say story, no. I'm a better catch out say. Oh, okay, Nanam Posadino, okay, because make Canubs 8 Nanam Posai. No, obey, David Obeng Nyarko obey, and I'm saying, I. Abase more ding plan a pushy deal at the moment. And I told you why the name Poza cannot come back. Okay.
Yes.
Me catch you the intern you buying ye.
Yeah.
I was David Obeng Nyarko and Asante Kotoko enche somebody announcement the many mina as the communications director and brands manager.
Wow.
David Obeng Nyarko. It's a position he held previously.
Yes.
Under Nana Amponsa, his godfather.
Yeah.
Assembly and Pessy Busa Penny Sammy Champo. And Crawford Mudia Bufoka, San Amponsa, David Conti, or my Jai Fabusan, so much deactivate Jomunia Bino. On my banner, still on my Jai.
A very important and
one more Mudia Bufo, sir, Nana Amponsa, Echo, Anna, Aiko, and Tia Biam. na ti say na abusapani wo mo ka so mo deactivate fabu sensors on stadium biem no san krofo no and now mbasa ba na still o magyae. Question number 2.
Nice one.
One ma omuka say andana mpozana Kotoko ehye area.
Yeah.
Nana penkra kwese wu abai no akwakofa THB. No mo to THB no to because no your friend to the people who were going David Adamfo, David Nipa, Nana mpozana Nipa. No mo call ye no. Sa nkofo no se Kotoko de mahu a unveiling na yiri nyina say coach no THB no go yembo a. Ebe mo pass Kotoko nche THB. No mo di THB e na aye akom ni nkyire mutina chinchia no mo se ntwa THB no no. Because nipa ni bi wo Japan o metuma share ya THB ni wo mu ana wa nhye biem. Adwuma ye ya achebu Japan ye ya Japan na metina se a me ko machi kakra na me say hey we've been in this business ebi ma chacha ba yenso ya chapa. We've been around for a very long time. We've seen enough. Yeah, who do na?
Sure.
And nunti, we are Kotoko supporter. Me say yeah, support our club no. Neja personality odi na chi. No one your man says form. Do na nka ba mo dese. Approach no ko David Mbaka so mo nye waba say what? In fact, I know asem ka say Kotoko. Pictures ni nyoma mo ye nyama mo ye nkran. David Obeng Nyarko ne boys na ye adwuma no.
Wow.
And no videos Kotoko ye nyina videos na omo ye nyina pictures no mo twa ye nyina no. David Obeng Nyarko.
Wow.
And we ye nyina as the communications director of the club. Enti supporter na odi abufuo. So we jam Kotoko no kura because na na mponza ko David ko no. Da ko mate wana na mponza sa ba ono me say ade bi. Ade bi na wo manhia palace ho.
Yes. Obetime so
Sanya sa. Enka na mponza no ko ba be lead team no nyan say board chairman executive chairman ko ba be Kotoko CEO.
yeah.
Na board members me answer on by say be catch say time Kotoko board na I don't want to revisit it. Mpanyimfo pa edit ma jam no mu ache ne asi we mu ene yekotu board chairman ene yekoye meeting ye be pam we na board chairman onim board meeting ye o guys are man. Opanyi akwasi ose ofori. Dr. Kofiaban. Ana board chairman board chairman mo ne omo maka to pension no mu nyina gina one side. And no mu nyina wona na ampoza side. And ye nim eti ye put one or two together and tamani eti catch say na na ampoza betumi aba. But me see a hit rocks the name was presented and a hit rocks. Now rock no add in the O20 bia. David ye senyo na na adwuma no ono bi na fa na adwuma. Until David aban. So David Obeng Nyarko is back to Asante Kotoko. Oba be lead communications, no lead brands.
Wow.
And no adwuma oba be. Na abusapani.
Yes sir.
On Kotoko platforms. Platform I Kotoko for nkwa na wo so no.
Okay.
There is sharp division. And board no appointment on bre papa. Media no crowd about catch David will face huge opposition within the media landscape.
Yeah.
A brody can buy no new or near against Bia because
sure.
But unse Juma de Kotoko Juma ya da Bia obeti obi na so, which is normal. Or just on more communication no or ye dal on media for na tena lawyer Safuduku. Oni obi anam former Kotoko CEO, but I always love to refer to him as the communications director. He's the very best I've seen. I was Asante Kotoko. Open you free chra at the Sioko. I'll rise obey CEO of the Penyon de Kotoko ball CAF Champions League there work. Ali share Kotoko 4 in 18 minutes or none after anniversary. What down for Jarvis Pepra. Jarvis, the very best person I've seen communicating for Kotoko, Mr. Jarvis Pepranum. Omunyina be adwuma ne bi ko. No kwasam ne se Nana Ponsa eba ne doba David Obeng Nyarko. Team no mko toye no so mo ton said that's ho. Said the wagya team na wa bruchire na oni ntu di bedi atem no. Waba ye Kotoko adwuma no. Waba wo ye Kotoko adwuma no. Na makase David will face a lot of issues. I'm being honest with you.
Sure.
Based on Ono ankasa how he conducted himself post the Kotoko job, no. He picked fight with a lot of people in the media space.
Yeah.
If those people are not considerate, say, oh, nyahwe Kotoko nti, no one desire say you be jinaso because you know asema. He will have issues. Yeah, ni asem. Ya ni nya asem da. Si ya ni nya asem be ehye tirim because ye adwuma ye ye be ye de sa ye ne se de ye na kosi se da kunyam be kan zagu ye bo. Ye no obi ani asem. But he be koso ye adwuma.
Sure.
So David Obeng Nyarko is back to Asante Kotoko. Abuja point sama jam.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella man.
And then some of those mean who be a mean free ni be a mean ko combat.
Yeah,
Asante Kotoko pre-season shall see on Monday. Proper one shall see on Monday. Notable absentees or moment to be Lord Super Fantastic Danny Alves Amwa. Lord Amwa injury ACL. Shaibu Abubakar ACL injury on to me enyebi. Seth Kojo set. Abuja Kojo and to me enye and started pre-season ibi.
Wow.
Afe midfield maestro, midfield dynamo. Pepe. Andrews in Timanu. Abuja Andrews in Timanu so injured. Na omu nyina na ACL asem na yeka yo. Eti omu 4 idie. Omu ye out Kotoko pre-season plan na. One so far 30 players and I'm my medicals no e dey Asante Kotoko. Omu call in batches of 10. So 30 players aye omu medicals no. But 30 players no. One more year Kotoko players omu contract enwu ye dey obia aye the medicals no. Say dey me be chire about 3 days ago no.
Yeah.
Eti Elvis Chepa for Awuche. Emmanuel Entry. Kwame Poku Bayi. Johnson upon Owusu Bra Johnson. Ofa Johnson no. Saka Daudanom. Inusa Adams. Dogo Yakubu. Donzo Morefink. Adabo. Emmanuel Badu. Prince Badu. Hubert Joe. You can name them. Omo nyina busa panyi omo aye medicals plus youth team players are Hamza Obeng together with Kotoko. One football director omo promote omo about 4-5 youth team players. And Makacha said most of the youth team players they will be observed closely by coach Eric Tinkler and sporting director Stanley Menzo. Omo shon koran closely. But they be mo ya promote omo busa panyi. Wamo ba straight and senior team aba be one a training it is a pepe and a tear yete e ho nsem no e de ema yen ahwefo no abuja panyi sabe champo
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella man.
Solomon Agbasi. Solomon Agbasi.
Yes.
Meeting na me catch us about basso between Solo and Heartful company from Japan abaso.
Nice one.
Solo every meeting as you know. No ama a firm assurance to Heartful company for. But that firm assurance was present or it precipitated on a certain clause. The clause is that if I will keep the post, I am ready to sign a 3-year contract with you and for you. Semina medda dia any a 3 to 4 year contract, my ready. Some signing at Yama Hatzefolk. The reverse is also true. Say Yamina medda dia any of the proposed 3-year contract, such as a men's I was a penny.
Wow.
But how some penny for a nice BB say, on bet me at home. Asari Aquabontain. And if they are able to sell Asari outside, then sa clause na Agbesi na some ejinaso can be activated. Because Mami Kasebo in Japan. Had the folk board omudin common supporters no can be a woman influential people in the club. Now surprisingly most of the supporters of Hatfolk. If you say agbesi no sɛ nya so ɔbɛto asare a ɛna asare yɛ senior ka agbesi no kora nim go ne da kyɛn no asɛm Steve aka wɔ studio a asɛm maka bi de akyɛw sɛ baabi agbesi elivi the scene with nipra no ɛyɛ when he had guided Dreams FC to the semi-finals of the CAF Confederations Cup.
Yeah.
And a name kobuye. Now at the time na bujapanyi agbesi edema Dreams na Asare ewo Olympics no. Na agbesi far better than Asare.
Yeah.
Age asan so boa agbesi in this picture, but bujapanyi goalkeeper ton enough form.
No correct.
Goalkeeper ton pass wa fa goalkeeper ko ton no. Enough form wo ba bia.
No correct.
Normally, omunya baby koni omu free agent. Okay, I said Danlad, a free Kotoko. Echo Ethiopia Coffee Club.
Yeah.
On a free transfer. Okay, I said Asante Kotoko goalkeeper. Abalora.
Yeah.
Razak Abalora. And an ambaza. Okobo loan. Loan no money no. Ni gua no da no da black stars loan. And okoya fesenka omutonoma skabano. Ena na mpoza the club na nso mkonya issues om cancel player contract no manema ena sa branch am jakosko nya no ho hwe but sa deal no man tia se da na nse ya Frederick Asare awo ye ni interview a o free Kotoko our Durban City in South Africa oko free teams penny ability to sell a goalkeeper especially one that is 33 years of age difficult but metma catch say agbesi any house aye meeting na wi a one man a firm assurance, but the firm assurance based on a clause. There is a certain condition, a condition precedent that must be met.
The if clause.
If that condition is met, or better 3 years, a 3-year contract has Yamano. In fact, Agbesi, Sikasano Krawum Kawani and Won Comanza. But in principle, I did 3 years not. And the Obusa say, Minka Semi Adi Asare. But Minyama say, going forward, baby, me age of Dunia, the Massa Tranche. This is the big issue. I said the continental club masters. Omoshana omu dealing with. Na afi wamu and also edi efrio. So Japan I know I bakwa. And also I'm day 17 adema. Abu Japan sabe jampo.
Richard do people arrest the fella.
Meshak Ajete Soa Vision FC. Kotoko ni Vision. Kabiru very short midfielder be. If I only captain, no about captain Zamband. Yes. Meshak Ajete Soa. Or a typical Tema boys na or Sakwa Kupama. Tema youth time no omubo Tema youth no.
Okay.
Moses Oji mo type of midfielder very very short but with incredible and enormous talent. Abusia?
Yes sir.
Meshak Ajete Soa. 3 Ghanaian clubs. And omo interest. Na branch no. Na mpanyimfo push deal bi ama no outside. Ya metia say sa outside deal no enyam fai.
Okay.
Outside deal no enyam fai. Asante Kotoko interested in this young man. Hearts of folk interested in this young man. Ghana has a say yentimi nka transfer abra. Yammo Mediama Sporting Club di. Na bisapani Mediama na nyasa hwehwani mu no mo ye.
Okay.
Mediama aluzu 4 midfielders. 4. Ti uche si ase Mediama fa Eche Dogli. Mediama ese pe Kofi Tompuo. Mediama pe Sedu Sana. Mediama pe Ajete. Mediama pe we a. Ya mfa ne se bia nkofo no yan hwani mu. Mo yan hwani mu bisapani.
Okay.
Fuzi Taylor any Ghana have you. Salim Adams Omaton.
Yes.
Kevin Kofi Nkrumah Omaton.
Okay.
A branch at the thing at the Fojo a contract who I extended 4. Mediama lusu 4. I will middle. And then as I for Mulusu middle no. Mediama forced the ideal replacement at the ma Fojo a Meshak.
Okay.
Ajete Soa. Abusia Asante Kotoko enwia players omo nko bebrebe. Because Kotoko for no efa se omo me fedas ni bebrebe betena. Sanna me be ka che se owura ne din ɛde Emmanuel Ntwi ɔne Walid Fuseni bɛtena.
Yes. So mo meet favor bi.
Enti mpanyinfo so mo ɛbɛhwɛ mo last chance bi bɛba no mo amonita. The same thing enti amakotoko. Me fe da bi ya no mo ya mpanyinfo no pese nka mo start pre-season no. Na coach ne director of sports no assess Emmanuel Ntwi. Omo assess Walid Fuseni Nema. Omo aye assessment of their midfield new year. They will be in a position to say yankwa Joanasi yankwa ta nemum ebra so ntwan omo. Enti bra kotoko ni abre epeso wuram no ono making the checks and son abusuwa move no. Other clubs nso eguso a wo mu ewurawuram ehwe se omu ebenya players no. Abrante ba kwa din ade Seydou Sana. Seydou Sana.
Yes.
Okay, say Seydou Sana a player osi akadema Aduana Football Club and the contract abawie.
Yeah.
The contract abawie. Now Seydou Sana exclusively met back say Aduana for chase ni nyina nyade Seydou ebe extending the deal at the amount you will not.
Wow.
Seydou Sana no enya Kotoko deal na ebana Seydou adnitiri ebeje. Seydou enya deal na free Midiama ebata kwana ordinity beje. Bare bisapanyi ensem ewom. Ensem ewom. Ensem ewom ne say ohwe foreign deals mienu bi anim. Selandia ba bi ono wadi nkomaduru bia so mfa ne nsan hye krata ase a abusia obebu ne ketem na ordinary akirem e obabi foforo. Enti we eye Asante Kotoko ensem but yemfa lesson say me say nya bone se obi nti na abedo Kotoko enya bone. I know a lot of people bedo Kotoko because of a bedmensa.
Sure.
If you bedo Kotoko because of a nepantma hene then Mr. Sylvester Asari Usu. Abusia ebi mu ba bedo Kotoko because of Dr. Chei. Dr. Chei. Dr. Keke Sapon. And the numerous people, intellectuals, baby papa no, baby no free ban. Omu nyina bedo Kotoko.
Yeah.
Etinya bone so obi nti do Kotoko. Na mum aye bone se. Obedo Kotoko na nipa ni obiam tina fe wa sori atia club no. In fact, when you keep quiet it is better. Uye din wo de unipa na don no kona ye din a ya na ye. Nipa dodo affairs no mu din. Unsam se pan abe fun fair say. Obi register no nya ne fabu census number na. E wo social media so bo se ni din no. Either say ni AK ni di animu ana se wo di akire. Ti fa no Richardo Pepe Suarez AK 000 no dia soso fe.
Yeah.
Na ne amponsa ko David ko no mo delete ni nyina. Those people love Kotoko. You can be attached to a personality because of closeness. Herbert by no nipa bi be don because no mo ben no. Na den so be ben Kotoko chairman we dey me you close. Ti wo don no. But if you profess to be somebody who loves Asante Kotoko, your love is not limited to the managerial span of nipa kwana odono. Oko now sorry tia club ne dia. Na wonya Kotoko supporter papa because one day send nipa kono betimi aba.
Sure.
Enai and David Obeng Nyarko aba back to Asante Kotoko. AK for na delete here. Mo am ka se fabu census mo deactivate no.
What do you do?
Then David is back. Timon Sanko reactivity. But those that will continue to respect and cherish are those who stayed. Even though not done an amponsa. But not done Kotoko ni na amponsa. Not do David Obeng Nyarko. But done Kotoko ni David Obeng Nyarko. Ti David Obeng Nyarko call you know. When nyai Kotoko fabu census ni tia. Those people they are worshipped and they are loved. I'm gonna have true Kotoko supporters. And you will deep personality achi. Now ko. Ti obi aba because of the current chairman of the club. Okwa ubejai. You are not a true supporter of Asante Kotoko.
If God be for you, who can be against you? Can you sing to your soul one more time? Me wo Yesu